You don't care about how Amazon treats their employees. You say you do, but I kind of suspect you don't.
Xbox,
Twitter, Uber,
Postmates,
Netflix, MoviePass,
Google, Facebook, eBay,
DoorDash, Apple, Amazon, Airbnb,
The Apptrepreneur. Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Apptrepreneur. If this is your first time here and you happen to like this kind of content, you like what you see here, please do me a favor. Click that subscribe button, ring that bell notification. We upload on a near daily basis. We talk about the economy, e-commerce, video games, streaming wars, all that jazz, anything app related. And yeah, you might want to be notified of when new videos go up and live streams and stuff like that. But anyway, let's talk about Amazon. Now, I went on a pretty long rant about them yesterday. I'm probably not going to make this one as long because this is much more straightforward, and all I can do really is kind of shake my head in disappointment, like, but, you know, whatever. So, anyway, Amazon Cyber Monday. Now, I did a video yesterday. We talked about it. It was about a bunch of workers who were protesting in front of Jeff Bezos' house, which, by the way, I still disagree with. Some people don't like that position. I'm sorry. Don't bother people at their personal home. But I was very much in favor of protesting at warehouses, at public forums, to the government maybe. And Amazon, their working conditions are becoming more and more notorious. And there are starting to be groups of people that are definitely opposing them in very vocal ways. And they're being very coordinated in their efforts. A lot of stories premiered yesterday or the day before, depending on when this video goes up, about how Amazon was bad, and it was finally going to, how should I say this? Sorry, I got a text and lost my train of thought. Like, the general public basically was starting to figure out that Amazon's not very good. And there was a little bit of hope that maybe that would translate into lower than expected sales for Cyber Monday. Because really, Cyber Monday is something that Amazon created. It's a shopping day they created. This wasn't something the other retailers did. They had Black Friday. Amazon decided to do Cyber Monday. And they also had their Prime Day, by the way. Well, Cyber Monday came and went without me buying anything on Amazon. I will say I did my part. But it doesn't matter because it was the biggest shopping day ever. The company also broke its own Black Friday record. Now, there's an asterisk that needs to be added to this, but we'll get to that. So, you probably bought something on Amazon this weekend. No, I did not. The online retailer had plenty of alluring Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals across technology, toys, and home goods. You know, I did look at them temporarily just to see what's going on, and the stuff that I was buying, like the video games, the movies, things like that, I get the same price for them at Target, Walmart, Best Buy. You didn't have to go to Amazon. Basically, the only thing Amazon had cheaper than the other places didn't was Amazon products like Kindle and Alexa, which I don't want. Let's see here. So many people took advantage of the savings on Cyber Monday that in terms of the number of items sold, the retailer had its biggest single shopping holiday. Black Friday was a big success too. The company broke its own sales records for the pseudo holiday. Amazon says that it sold, quote, hundreds of millions of products between Thanksgiving and Cyber Monday, and while that's a vague number, it's certainly impressive. And that's the one thing about this that is definitely very interesting, because no numbers were provided. Now, they're not always provided, it should be noted. Amazon kind of just says we broke our own records, but I seem to recall in previous years, numbers were part of the announcement, because they really wanted to let people know that they were dominating everything. There was no numbers released this time, which makes me wonder how credible this is. I'm not doubting them. Their internal numbers probably show that they could legally say something like this and not get in trouble with it, but I'm just curious what the numbers were. Amazon says that the top selling categories worldwide for the time frame include toys, home, fashion, and health and personal care. In the US, the best-selling items on Black Friday included Amazon's own Alexa Dot and Fire Stick TV with Alexa Voice Remote, because again, that's like the one thing from them that they have on sale that you can't get on sale anywhere else for the prices they were selling. Play-Doh, Sweet Shop Cookie Creations, Keurig K-Calf Coffee Maker, and Lego City Ambulance Helicopter Kit. Very interesting. Amazon breaking its own records isn't a shocker. Something along these lines happens almost every Prime Day, Black Friday, or Cyber Monday, but this volume of sales is what has kept the company on top for so many years, and what probably will keep the company on top. So you know what this says to me? This says to me the protests and all the concern about Amazon's effects on the environment, on humanity, on the workers. Ultimately, people, they say they care. I don't think they really do. In fact, we're going to probably talk about another video because we're going to talk about those Amazon boxes. Like, what happens to the Amazon boxes once you get rid of them? I guess we'll have to talk about that a little later. But, yeah. So, anyway, that's where we are right now. That's disappointing. I would have liked to have seen that they had taken a little bit of a hit, but that's America for you, I guess. That's shopping, that's capitalism, that's all that jazz. Whatever. So it is what it is, I suppose. What do you folks think? Did you buy anything on Amazon? And hey, if you did, no need to feel ashamed about it, I guess. What did you get? And hey, did you get a good deal? I mean, if you're going to contribute to this abusive culture, I suppose, you might as well get a good deal on something. I'd like to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe. If you enjoy my videos, consider becoming a Patreon member. It's totally optional, of course, but even as little as $1 a month goes a long way to helping the channel run smoothly, and you get access to my Patreon's exclusive blog. Also, if gas prices continue to get you just a little down, check out the Get Upside app below. It's totally free. We get cash back on every gas purchase. If you want more content from me, check out Kevin T. Rodriguez, the Apptrepreneur vlogs, and Autograph Hound. And finally, if you want to talk to me or other fellow people who maybe dislike Amazon, check us out, the Apptrepreneur Hangouts on Facebook. As always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.